Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can find Facebook audience and visibility options. So in order to go to the or view the Facebook or configure Facebook audience and visibility, you can tap on three stripe at the top of your screen. You can scroll down and tap settings and privacy. Again, you have to tap settings and scroll down, and here audience and visibility. You can control who can see what you share on Facebook. For example, you can lock your profile, you can edit your profile details and how people find and contact you. You can configure posts, who can see your future posts, and also who can see your story, or control who can see your story. Reels, create your avatars, followers and public content that you follow, profile and tagging and blocking, and active status. You can turn off active status in here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.